All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, basic data structures, add key value pairs to JavaScript objects. All right. So at their most basic, objects are just collections of key value pairs. We already learned that. In other words, they are pieces of data, values, mapped to unique identifiers called properties, keys. We're going to take a look at an example. So we've got const tekkenCharacter equals, and then we've got an element, not an element, a property of player, and the key is player, and the value is Hwoarang. I don't remember how to say the guy's name. And then we've got this fighting style property and this human property as well. All right. So this is the key. This is the value, and the whole thing is the property, right? So the above code defines a Tekken video game character object called tekkenCharacter. All right. It has three properties, each of which map to a specific value. So if we want to add an additional property, such as origin, it can be done by assigning origin to the object. So we do something like this: tekkenCharacter.origin, and then equals South Korea. So it would add a origin property with origin as the key and South Korea as the value. All right. So this uses dot notation. If we were to observe the tekkenCharacter object, it will now include the origin property. Hwoarang also had distinct orange hair. So we can add this property with bracket notation by doing this. We'd say tekkenCharacter, and then we'd have hair color. And remember, when it has a space in it, we have to have brackets. And that's going to equal dyed orange. So it would make another one of these, and it would be hair color, and then it would say dyed orange as the value, and hair color is the property, not the property, the key. A little confusing? Well, it is. Anyway, so bracket notation is required if our property has a space in it, or if we want to use a variable to name the property. So in the above case, the property is enclosed in quotes to denote it as a string and will be added exactly as shown. Without quotes, it will be evaluated as a variable, and the name of the property will be whatever value the variable is. So here's an example with a variable. So we do something like this: const eyes equal eye color, and then we'd have tekkenCharacter, and then eyes referring to this, which refers to this, is now brown. So it would make a new property with eye color, and the eye color's value would be brown, and the key would be eye color. So the key and then the value, right? So after adding all these examples, the object now looks like this. So we've got the player fighting style human, and then we've got the origin that we added up here. We've got the hair color in a string that we added up there, and it's dyed orange, and then we have eye color also in a string. So these are in strings because they have the spaces in them, right? So anyway, a foods object has been created with 3 entries. Using the syntax of our choice, we're going to add 3 more entries to it: bananas with a value of 13, grapes with a value of 35, and strawberries with a value of 27. All right. So what I'm going to do, and I guess you can do it too, we're going to say food dot to start off with. And we'll take it like this, copy it, drop it off 2 times, right like that. Then right here we'll say strawberries. Up here we'll say grapes. And up here we'll say bananas, like that. And now we're going to have an equal sign. And then down here, another, what are we doing? Space equal sign. And then down here, another space equal sign. And we'll say right here, 27. We'll go 35 with this one. And then we'll say, this is hard with no, anyway, whatever. 13 right here. Nope, not there. At the end, we'll say 13 like that. And let's cap them off with semicolons. Why not? All right. Foods. Let's put S's in there too while we're at it. There we go. And so now we've got bananas, grapes, and strawberries with their respective values. All right. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to modify an object nested within an object. And we'll See you next time.